Although I say at my age, that could be a good level.
He's 16! Oh my God. He's 16! What we gonna do? You tell me. What we gonna do? This ain't the way. Because they ready to let loose. If the United States president say, if you loose, we shoot. You think doing this going on? I know it. It's doing it on. But now at 16, let's come up with a better way. Because how we doing it, it ain't working.
We out here. We're out here upset. We're out here pissed off for the nonsense that's constantly happening to our community. Black lives do matter. All lives matter crap. We already know that it matters. We know that everybody matters. But right now, there is a discrepancy and there is an oppression. There is a constant denial.
We want to be on God's side. My statement was this. For me, I believe that black lives matter. That's what I said. Anybody with a functioning brain understands that all lives matter. Anybody. But right now, there is a portion of our community that is frustrated and they are suffering and they are hurting. So as an empathetic Christian, I'm going to go and say, I agree with the statement, black lives do matter. But I was glad some people disagreed with me because I kept saying, do black lives matter? Yes or no? Yes, but. I'm like, there is no but. We disagree. Those are the same type of people that would have interrupted Jesus during the Sermon on the Mount. Jesus would have been like, blessed are the poor. No, Jesus, blessed are all people.
There is a precedence. There is an importance. And there is no appeal to authority but this.
I want every white person in this room who would be happy to be treated as this society in general treats our citizens, our black citizens. If you, as a white person, would be happy to receive the same treatment that our black citizens do in this society, please stand. You didn't understand the directions. If you white folks want to be treated the way blacks are in this society, stand. Nobody's standing here. That says very plainly that you know what's happening. You know you don't want it for you. I want to know why you're so willing to accept it or to allow it to happen for others.
Serious about this. We are intentional about this change. We are intentional about spreading. I just want to encourage everybody to just follow these steps because we're about to get real. So this is how we are producing intent change. This is how we're going to do things. Start one here. Good morning. Good morning. We love you. We love you.
We're going to do things. Down here. Good morning. Good morning. We love you. We love you.
Start like that. That's how we're going to start. Good morning. How are you? I love you. You are a masterpiece. Remember that. My pleasure. My pleasure.
I love you. You are a masterpiece. Remember that.
That's what we're going to do. I need for y'all to join the calls. Everybody do this. Everybody go join this. Good morning, everybody. I'm wonderful. I just want to let y'all know that I love y'all, and I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
And you as well. Good morning. I'm wonderful. I want to let you know that you are loved and you are queen created by God.
Thank you.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
I want to let you know that you are loved and you are clean created by God.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Just fine.
Wonderful. I want to let you know that you are loved and thank you for everything that you do.
Thank you.
Thank you so kindly.
Precedents for diversity. He set something up for them to understand this is how you deal with differences. Because he built one relationship, it changed the entire trajectory of the rest of the life. Be willing to get uncomfortable for the sake of peace and love. Be willing to get uncomfortable for the sake of peace and love.